Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Chrome so your tabs can be tied to your account. Once signed in, open Settings and turn on Sync. Make sure the Open Tabs option is selected. This ensures browser state is stored in your Google profile. After enabling, restart Chrome to commit the change and let the initial sync complete. Doing this first means any automatic restore later uses cloud-synced tab history, which is why we don't skip the sync step. Set it now so subsequent restore steps work reliably. Next, configure Chrome's startup behavior to automatically reopen tabs. Go to Settings, then on Startup, and choose Continue where you left off. This tells Chrome to restore the last session automatically. Once selected, close all Chrome windows so the preference takes effect. Reopen Chrome to confirm it restores your tabs. If you use multiple devices, make sure each has the same setting and sync enabled. That way Chrome can reconcile local session data with synced history across devices for consistent restores. Finally, recover or troubleshoot any missing tabs. If tabs don't reappear, open History and look under tabs from other devices to manually restore pages. Make sure sync completed. If not, visit Chrome//sync internals to diagnose stalled uploads or authentication problems. If session data was lost, restore a previous session from your user profile's session and tabs files or a system backup. If nothing works, enable sync again and test. Most problems resolve when sync finishes, uploading current session data to your account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.